Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the given problem from GATE 2023 exam CSE question paper. A Boolean digital circuit is composed using two 4-input multiplexers M1 and M2 and one 2-input multiplexer M3 as shown in the figure. X0 to X7 are the inputs of multiplexers M1 and M2 and could be connected to either 0 or 1. The select lines of the multiplexers are connected to Boolean variables A, B, and C as shown. This is the given circuit diagram having three multiplexers with inputs and outputs. Which one of the following set of values of x0 to x7 will realize the Boolean function A dash plus A dash C dash plus A B dash C? So here four combinations they have given for which value the circuit which provides equivalent Boolean function A dash plus A dash C dash plus A B dash C. In this circuit diagram, we have three multiplexers. This is the first multiplexer, this is second multiplexer, this is the third multiplexer. The first multiplexer, the selection inputs are S0 and S1. These are labeled with A and C. Similarly, for the second one also, the selection inputs are S0 and S1 are labeled with A and C. And for the third one, the selection input is only one selection input, that is labeled with B only. And for the first multiplexer, the inputs are X0 to X3. For the second one, X4 to X7. And for the third multiplexer, the input is from output of first multiplexer. And the second input is from output of second multiplexer. Now we should write the Boolean expression for this output Q of multiplexer 3. Therefore, Q equal to, it depends on the selection inputs. The selection input is B. It is only one variable, so that the binary combinations should be B equal to 0 and B equal to 1. If B equal to 0, Q should be the value on 0 line. Q equal to Q1. Similarly, if B equal to 1 means the data on this line 1 should be transferred to the output. Therefore, Q equal to Q2. So the total function should be Q equal to B equal to 0 means it should be taken as B dash. When B equal to 0, the output should be Q1. Therefore, B dash Q1 plus when B equal to 1, this is the B normal form, the output is Q2. Okay, so this is the total Boolean function. Now, here this is the Q equal to B dash into Q1. Q1 means the output of the multiplexer 1. Okay, here to get the output of the multiplexer 1, again it depends on the two selection inputs A and C. Okay, here two selection inputs we have, therefore A, C are two selection inputs. These are having 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. 0, 0 means it is in the form of A dash C dash. This is A dash C. This is AC dash. This is AC. Okay, now if AC equal to 0, 0, then this 0 line data should be transferred to the Q1. Okay, this is Q1, this is Q2. Okay. Similarly, if 0, 1, X1 data should be transferred to Q1. Similarly, if it is 1, 0, X2 data should be transferred to Q1. In the same way, if it is 1, 1, then X3 data should be transferred to Q1. Okay. Based on that, we should write the Q1 value like this. Okay. The whole equation itself represents the Q1. Okay. That means A dash C dash into X0 plus A dash C into X1 plus A C dash into X2 plus AC into X3. Okay. Similarly, B into Q2. Q2 means again here ACR selection input same 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. If AC 0, 0, X4 should be transferred to output. If it is 0, 1, X5, 1, 0, X6, 1, 1, X7. So based on that, we should write the equation as Q2. Okay. Now we should take the given Boolean expression to find the values of X0 to X7 values. So first we should realize the given Boolean function to find these values. In these two, A dash is common. Therefore, take A dash common into 1 plus C dash plus A B dash C. Okay. 1 plus C dash, its value is 1 only according to OR gate operation. If any one of the input is 1, the output should be 1. Okay, so the remaining is A dash into 1 means A dash plus A B dash C. Now we should expand this expression to compare with the first equation. Okay, so here A dash into the missing terms are B and C. Now we should add the missing variables along with the A dash. So to add the missing variables, B should be taken as B plus B dash because its value is 1. Similarly, C plus C dash is also equivalent to 1. Therefore, A dash into B plus B dash into C plus C dash plus A B dash C as it is. Okay. Now we should multiply these two terms and then multiply with the A dash. Then it gives B and C, BC, next to BC dash, B dash C and B dash C dash. Again multiply with the A dash. Okay. Then the final terms are A dash BC plus A dash BC dash plus A dash B dash C. Then the final product terms are this one. Now in this expression, take B dash common and B common. In these three terms, B dash is common. Therefore, A dash C plus A dash C dash AC. Similarly, in the first two terms, B is common. Therefore, A dash C plus A dash C dash. So this is the second equation. Next, now we should compare equation 1 and equation 2. Here, this is the B dash, this is B. In the same way, this is also B dash, this is also B. Okay. Now, inside the brackets, we have A dash C dash is multiplying with x0. Here in this also, we have A dash C dash. Okay. In the place of x0, it is 1. Therefore, x0 equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, this is A dash C x1. A dash C is here. Okay. So, x1 is its equivalent value is 1. So, in this, we have to place 1. Okay. Therefore, x1 equal to 1. Similarly, AC dash x2. Here there is no AC dash term. That means x2 is 0. Next, AC x3. Here AC term is there. Therefore, x3 equal to 1. Similarly, in the next bracket also same. We have A dash C dash x4. Here also A dash C dash term is there. Therefore, x4 equal to 1. Okay. Next, A dash C x5. Here A dash C term is there. Therefore, x5 equal to 1. Only two terms in the second expression we have. Therefore, the remaining two terms should be zeros. Therefore, x6 and x7 are 0 values. So this is our answer. Okay. So I hope you understand this concept very easily. So the multiplexer questions are very, very important, and definitely in GATE examination, every year they are asking the questions. So please practice thoroughly these type of multiplexer problems. Okay. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And please share to your friends too. Thank you.